Hello, Cardinal High School English Department. Please join us for our 3-day professional development dedicated to the English Department. We invite all our amazing Cardinal High School teachers, instructional coaches, all campus administration, and the district secondary ELA content specialists. Mark your calendars for September 19th through the 21st. We will be in session each day from 9 to 3:15. All our sessions will take place in the Cardinal High School Library. All attendees are asked to bring their district-issued laptop, an open mind, and a growth mindset. We will provide all of the supplies, breakfast, and lunch each day. Please join us for the 3-day professional development to take your writing instruction to the next level. We look forward to seeing you there.